Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. Today is Tuesday and malapit na siyang mag 1 o'clock. Ngayon lang ako mag-start ng vlog natin because dapat sana hindi ako mag-vlog. Alam niyo ba, it is raining outside. Sobrang dilim. And alam niyo yung naaapektuhan yung feeling niyo. Sabi ko, okay. Bukas na lang ako mag-vlog. And then, this parcel arrived at biglang lumiwanag yung buhay, sis! So, ayan, as you can see, it's from FedEx. Galing to siya ng Pinas. If napanood niyo yung previous videos ko, na-mention ko na may hinihintay akong alahas from Pilipinas. Binili ko for my birthday. So, yung birthday ko was on the 17th. And today is the 28th. Yep. Medyo late na siyang dumating, guys. But, it doesn't matter. It's okay. As long as it's here. And, i-unbox natin siya together. Para makita natin lahat. And we will be surprised na magkasama. O, diba? Ang ating baby Celine ay natutulog at the moment. And Ate Paris is nasa school. Tingnan nyo, ang laki ng box. Ito lang yung laman. Oh my God! I'm super duper excited. So, isa rin sa policy ng binilhan ko ng alahas na to na mag-unboxing, na iganituhin, na makita talaga i-video para just in case merong mga problema, ay parang ano ba, live talaga na binuksan mo and nakita nila talaga na walang daya. Ganon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kunin natin. Kita nyo na ba? Speechless na si ate nyo. Hindi na makapagsalita. Here. Hala, ang kintab-kintab. Sana ang makintab. Kinang-kinam niya, guys. Here is the Van Cleef and Arpels Vintage Alhambra. 18 karat gold. Yellow gold pala tong sa akin. And in this Guilloche. Yeah, Guilloche. If yan yung pagkabasa nyo. Diyan. So, this particular one, it comes with different like stones pa yun. Yung bang may green, may red. But in my case, actually, I was tossing between this or the mother of pearl, which is the white one. But, ito yung nanalo. Ito yung napili ko. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh, okay. So, this one is the HK setting. So, ito yung, obviously, hindi ito yung totoong, brand na VCA because this will cost you thousands of dollars kapag yung real na VCA yung binili mo. But this one is the Hong Kong settings. It means ito yung pinakamalapit sa totoo. Pinakamalapit sa katotohanan. Tingnan nyo naman yan. So, ito yung napili ko kasi all gold siya. Nabasa ko kasi na yung white, yung mother of pearl, mabilis siyang ma-dent or ma-scratch. And this one is all gold. So, alam nyo naman ako, guys, dinidaily ko yung mga alahas ko. So, pinipili ko yung maisusuot ko palagi. Yung hindi pang okasyon lang. So, that's why I ended up getting this particular one. Ayan siya. Grabe, hindi siya mag-focus. Ayan. So, this is, ano ba to siya? 42 centimeters. I love the chain. Ayan siya. Tapos, yung Hong Kong settings, guys, dahil very close siya sa totoo. Don't get me wrong, this is also 18 karat gold, pero hindi siya from the brand. Normally, di ba, kasi yung brand yung binabayaran. Ayan, meron din siyang mga serial cards. Ayan, may nakasabi na 750, which means 18 karat gold. And may mga ano din siya dyan. Hirap man ipakita, oy. Meron din siyang mga logos ng VCA. Dyan. So, this one is adjustable. So, I think it's this, like this, the longest setting is 18 centimeters. And meron siyang isang hole dito na pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Will become 16 centimeters. Oh, no, 16 inches. Yeah. Oh my God! Suotin na natin. Huwag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Anyways, ito yung kanyang details, guys. Ayan, if kita. 42 centimeters. Weight is 4.94 grams na 18K yellow gold. So, itry na natin siya. Nasuot ko na siya. Oh my goodness, lapit natin. So, ayan siya, 18 inches na settings. Ayan yung pinakamahaba. Madilim ba? Oh, the lighting is not very nice to me. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. So, see, this style, sobrang in love ako. Kasi, tingnan nyo, para siyang kumikinang kapag naanuhan siya ng light. Kumpara dun sa ibang, stones. There you go! Oh my God! Sobrang cute na. I-try kaya natin sa, 16 inches. Para makita natin yung diferensya. I really like the fact na ganito siya, meron siyang adjustan. Kasi alam niyo naman, 'di ba, minsan may mga damit tayo na mataas yung dito, yung neckline. So we need something na ganyan din para makikita talaga siya. So that's a plus. Excuse that noise, guys. I think yung kabilang bahay merong yung alarm nila. So ganyan siya sa pinaka-shortest. Ayan, yan yung 16 inches. Ganyan. I think I like it better when it's hanging down here, I think. So, itong aking diamond heart necklace ay mamahinga muna. This one is so beautiful as well. Diba? Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko na pang daily ko. So, ngayon, meron na akong ganito. So, ito muna yung irarampa ni mami niyo. So, if you are wondering where I got this beautiful necklace from, I will show you guys. Kasi yan yung ginagawa natin dito. Sharing because sharing is caring. So, I got it from Instagram. Actually, hindi lang ito yung first time na bumili ako sa kanila. This is the second time. Yung first time was probably year 2020 nung nasa Melbourne pa ako. And I don't have that piece anymore. So this is the second item from them. And the Instagram page is Wanderlux by Jen VIP. Yan. It's not showing, guys. Pakita ko na lang sa screen. Actually, they have a few pages, Instagram pages. But sa Wanderlux by Jen VIP, doon nila ina-upload yung kanilang mga HK settings. Meron din pala silang website, which is www.wanderluxbyjen.com. Doon makikita nyo rin variety of items, guys. Sobrang dami nilang stock. And also, they do like, I don't know kung everyday, but they do it regularly, yung live selling sa Instagram. Although, just to give you a heads up, sobrang dami nilang customers. Like, every time na nag-live sila, it's like 500 viewers, ganun. So, minsan hindi nakikita or nababasa yung comment nyo. And, isa na ako doon. Pag nagko-comment ako, hindi nababasa. Kaya, minsan, ito siya sa na lang, sa website. So, pag may nagustuhan kayo sa website, message ko sila sa WhatsApp at doon na kami nag-transact sa WhatsApp. And you know what's really good about this company, guys, is they offer layaway. Sobrang bait ni Sis Jen na normally, I think yung sa website nila, 3 months na layaway. But, minsan, pag nagla-live siya, ginagawa niyang 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, depende sa feeling. Depende sa kung ano yung feeling niya that day, ganun. So, yeah. So, yung akin, ito siya, nilay-away ko to siya kasi gusto ko kasi for my birthday. Ayoko siyang makuha before my birthday kasi magkakaroon na naman ako ng rason na bumili ng something for myself for my birthday. Ganun ba? So, yung ginawa ko with this one, ano ko nga yung timeline nito? August 28, nag-message ako sa kanila, and then, ano ka ng deposit. So, they will tell you kung magkano yung deposit. In my case, kasi ito siya, magkano ba to lahat? 25,736. Tapos, yung hiningi nilang deposit is 4,000. But then, yung binayaran ko na deposit is parang 5,736 kasi parang wala na siyang para wala na siyang butal. So yung kulang ko na lang was 20,000. So after kang mag-deposit sa kanila ay papadalhan kanila nito. So para siya spreadsheet na ayan, makikita mo dyan yung mga dates and also magkano yung amount. So sa akin may na-schedule na September 25, 3,367 kasi 6 months yung binigay sa akin. So, every month, after ng aking deposit, ay 3,367. In my case, yung ginawa ko, finally paid ko siya. Like, hindi na ako talaga sinunod yung monthly. Like, the next month, nagbayad ako ng monthly. But the next one, fully paid ko na siya kasi gusto kong dumating sa birthday ko. So, what happened was, hindi siya dumating sa birthday ko, but that's okay. Dahil nga, as mentioned, sobrang dami nilang customers. Dami nilang customers. Maraming nagle-layaway kasi very handy, diba? It's very good na may layaway sila para naman you know, hindi naman lahat na makakapag-pay ng cash kaagad, di ba? Especially pag malakihang amounts na. So, I fully paid October, sabi ko, para dumating in time kasi birthday ko November. But, meron din naman silang, guys, parang terms and conditions. For layaway clients, checking of your payment might take longer due to high volume of layaways. Please keep all your deposit slips, transfer screenshots for future reference. And sinend ko sa kanila ng October 23, nag-send ako ng full payment. Tapos, akala ko, na nila, like, accept na nila, masiship na kaagad. But I was wrong, kasi meron pala silang of course naman, hindi lang naman tayo yung customer, maraming customer, di ba? So, kailangan sabay-sabay na yun. Tapos, isa-isahin nila yung i-check, yung payment. So, nag-November na siya. Nag-message ako na pwede bang masama yung shipment ko, kayong Tuesday, kasi I think Tuesday and Thursday yung kanilang shipment international. So, dumating na ng November 8, sabi niya, na-follow up ko na po yung kay checker, paantay na lang po sa verification. Acknowledge nila yung payment ko, November 8. And, after that, November 14, nag-message sila sa akin na, kasi yung tinotal nila na shipping fee was only 4,000. But, yung sa akin pala is 5,306.56 papuntang Australia. So, it means kulang ako ng 1,306. So, pag send ko noon ng balance, sinend ko the same day para, yun na nga, tinatry ko talaga na umabot dito sa birthday ko. Unfortunately, no, it was already like 20th of November, Monday. Nag-ask ako kung na-ship na ba yung sa akin. That was like 1 month after sending my full payment. Tapos, yun na nga, hintay lang ng verification, ganito, ganyan. And then, last Wednesday, finally, so ano ba yung date last Wednesday? But yeah, it's definitely after my birthday. Nag-message sila ng photo nito, tsaka yung paperwork ng FedEx. And last Thursday, nag-send na sila ng tracking details. And now, Tuesday, dumating yung item. Yung story ng kwintas na to. But yeah, I'm very happy I have it here now. Just keep it in mind na if you need it rush, maybe if you pay in cash straight away, like pay in full straight away, mapapasama sila kaagad sa maybe, you know, like quick na shipment. But yung sa akin kasi pinaano ko pa, pinalayaway ko pa kasi hindi ko naman talaga want straight away. I just want it for my birthday, which you know, hindi dumating for my birthday. So now, parang inisip ko sana binayaran ko na lang in full. But it's still good na layaway siya kasi parang, you know, meron kang time na mag-ipon, 'di ba? Kaya maraming nagkakaroon ng alahas, guys, because of them. Kasi nga sobrang bait nila na mag-offer ng layaway with zero interest pa yan. Like zero interest, you know? Like parang kung isipin mo yung pera ni Sis Jen, yung may-ari, parang natutulog lang, 'di ba? For 8 months, kasi may 8 months sila, may 6 months, na walang interest. But, you know, she's very kind and very, yung para bang, helpful, para sa mga gustong magkaalahas na hindi mayaman, na makakapag-cash ka agad ng 50,000 pesos or 100,000 pesos, diba? Hello? Nagising na si Inday. Kumakain ng watermelon. Say hi, salam. Say hi, guys. Whoopsie. Nak, do you like Mama's necklace? Do you like it? Yes? Do you like it? Hindi tuloy na tapos ang aking chika. Chika! Yes, chika! So, yeah. Ayan siya, oh. So, ngayon ay may inaay na naman ako na kukunin ko next. Sana si Sis Jen ay hindi magsawang magpa-layaway sa akin. Yeah, meron akong gusto, guys. Alam niyo ba yung next na gusto ko? Is yung chunky na bracelet na hardware. Meron na ako noon, di ba? Yung may palawit na bola tsaka lock. Gusto ko yung plain lang, tapos chunky. Yung, tingnan. Kasi nakakabongga yung tingnan. Yung isusunod ko rin is yung, yung mother of pearl, yung puti na stone. Kasi, bet na bet ko rin yun. So, yeah, that's next. For next year, no? My goal. Parang my goal.
More.
More? There's more. There's more. Don't waste it lang. I'm gonna pick up Ate Paris soon. What, change your dress? Oh, yung dress bulingit na kayo.
Wet. It's wet.
It's wet, that's right. It is wet. What's the color of the watermelon?
Red.
Red. Good job. Tamis-tamis ng watermelon na yan. It's raining, yes. Umuulan, guys, pero grabe. I'm sweating. Napaka-humid. Okay, we're gonna go pick up Ate Paris now. Lini, you'll get sick. Come back here. Come on, get in the car na. Get in the car. Himala, nagpatali ng kanyang buhok, guys. Tapos, parang naanuhan na siya ngayon. Di ba sobrang hilig din siya sa mga, hindi ko na isabihin baka marinig niya eh. Okay na siya ngayon. Kailangan ko na siya i-distract kapag sunutan ko siya ng ibang damit. Good girl, Baba. Where are we going?
School.
School. Who are we picking up?
School.
Who are we picking up?
Ati.
Ati. What's Ati's name?
Iris.
Paris. Smart little girl. We've got Ate Paris here now. Tingnan nyo. Kapas ng ulan. Dito kami sa bakery kasi bili kami nito, kiss biscuit and mellow corn for Celine, and also fried rice. Pinainit lang namin. And this one. That's all, thank you. Okay, hang on, you have to wait. There you go. Thank you. It's yours, ate?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Di ba nakapigtail yung kanyang buhok kanina? Napansin niya nung nandun kami sa sasakyan. So it's off again now. Thank you. Okay, thank you. We got our fried rice. Oh, yummy. Ate Paris na, ubos ka agad ang ibabaw Eat this too long.
And I am. I'm gonna eat the cookie at the end. And I'm gonna eat this fruit. Hi guys, we're cooking dinner and what are we cooking?
What's this?
Meat.
Meat. Yep, we're having this for dinner and I'm making corn. Careful na, mataga ka lang.
Daddy's coming soon. We made our Christmas tree that you already saw.
Huh?
I told Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's coming home.
And I saw we made our Christmas tree that you already saw. I think.
What?
We have our Christmas tree, and I think
Yeah, they already saw it.
Oh yeah.
They saw it. So at school, at Ate Paris school, they are practicing singing now for
Not
Christmas.
anymore.
Huh?
Not anymore.
Not anymore?
I think
You're done practicing? Are you sure, Tita and Tita B? You do. What was the boomer? What was that? 6?
6 white minutes.
Okay. Do you need to stand for that, or you can just? It's alright. Just sit down like that.
I feel.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Joe kangaroo ran away from home and was in a big zoo. Mommy, where's my mommy? They took her away. We're helping some up on the sleigh. Boo, 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 boo. 6 white boomers, now white boomers. As the Santa Claus is playing some. 6 white boomers, now white boomers. As it's Australian run.
So what was the other one? The
Christmas Day song.
yes.
I was singing another song. It's called Christmas in the Summertime. It's Christmas in the summertime. The sun is up and I feel fine. Christmas in the summertime. Let the summer shine.
Grabe ka igang nak ba? Oh. Open the door lang. Okay, hang on. The charge still charging mo lang.
Summertime, 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 summertime. Let the summer shine.
Banda ka rin ha.
I'm cool in the summertime. Cool in the summertime. Let the summer shine. I'm gonna say Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer now. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Have a very shiny nose.
Ay, napakainit. Grabe. Yes.
You would even say blues. Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph.
You do it down big because you might fall here. Look.
Would you climb my
Take
sleigh
it.
tonight?
Bring it.
Rudolph.
Go in the lunchroom.
It's a cold
What to do?
It's a late. I've been to Bend.
I want a corn, Paris.
Yum.
Have some corn.
Avocado.
Avocado. What are you talking about?
It's avocado.
Is there avocado, Bob?
No.
It's green.
No sun protection, nothing. Comes home.
That's
So-
the time.
You know, like
dog. Wow.
Johnny?
Yeah. But when they get to a stage where they're working and all
Let's
that stuff,
go.
herself,
What are gaps?
I think.
yeah, I'm stuck.